Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I will show you how you can cut, crop video in Kinemaster on Android or Apple. iPhone. So what you want to do is when you have your media here, I have a Buddha here, let's play. I have a Buddha here and a flower. And what I want to do is to, let's say that I just want to leave a zoom in on Buddha and zoom out, and that will be end of my video. So I'm going to click on it, and then you will have in the left upper here, you have scissors. So click on a scissors, and now you have option. When you're gonna trim to left of playhead. So when I have my line, so this is going to be a beginning of my video, and I'm going to click trim to left of playhead. And as you can see, it cut it right there when I want it. I'm going to the end of my video, and end would be here. And now I will click trim to right of playhead. As you can see, right now we got ourselves a wonderful video. Let's play it. Short, clear, and straight. Now I'm going to click again scissors, and you can make split at playhead, so you can split your two clips. As you can see right now, we got the two clips here. Okay, let's play it. And now you can add transitions if you want. It's really up to you. And now let's get it back. Let's click on it again. Let's cut it again. And then you will have a split and insert freeze frame. What happened right now is that you inserted a freeze frame to your video. And you can make it shorter if you want. And it will work wonderful for you. So this is how you can cut, crop your video in Kinemaster. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can support me with subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you all again for watching, and have a wonderful and great day, because you are a wonderful and amazing person. Have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.